So I just had a little adventure in the grocery store. There are a lot of plastic-free ways to shop. This one grocery store in New Jersey not only has now a nut refill station where you can bring your own containers, but they have all of this produce such as kale, beets, radishes, things that you can buy loose. Just remember, look for things like bananas that aren't in plastic. Find the potatoes that aren't in the netted bag thingies, whatever they're called. Those are super harmful. Just keep your eyes open. Be aware of the easy eco swaps you can do. I mean, you can even switch out, instead of getting a plastic ketchup container, there's glass. They're same for mustard and mayo and any other condiment that you can imagine. If you want meat, go to the actual meat counter, ask the butcher, and have it wrapped in paper. A lot of places do that anyway, as styrofoam is going to be banned in all grocery stores in New Jersey by 2024.